Despite its potential, Mexico's journey to economic greatness faces hurdles, and it is unlikely to dethrone China as the world's largest economy. Hello and welcome back to our channel. In today's episode, we'll delve into a thought-provoking topic: Mexico's potential to become the world's largest economy and its challenges in achieving that feat. From its advantages as a manufacturing hub to the hurdles it faces, we'll explore the factors that have hindered Mexico's growth and its prospects for the future. So, let's dive in. Segment 1. Mexico's promising position. Mexico possesses several key factors that make it a promising contender in the global economy. With a large population and a relatively skilled workforce, Mexico possesses the necessary ingredients for economic prosperity. Its geographical advantage of a direct land border with the world's top economy and largest consumer market, the United States, provides unparalleled trade opportunities. Access to global trade routes via its extensive coastline enhances Mexico's position as a global player. Furthermore, Mexico is rich in natural resources and benefits from political stability in a relatively peaceful region. These factors initially position Mexico as a prime contender to take over China's role as the center of low-cost manufacturing. Its strategic location and resources created a favorable environment for Mexico to become a global manufacturing hub. However, as we explore further, we will understand the challenges that have hindered Mexico from fully capitalizing on these promising factors. Segment 2. Trade tensions and pandemic challenges. Even with the recent problems China has faced in relation to its low-cost manufacturing exports, Mexico still faces significant challenges in becoming a global economic powerhouse. While trade tensions between the United States and China initially presented a golden opportunity for Mexico to replace China as the center of low-cost manufacturing, it has not fully materialized. The global pandemic further compounded Mexico's economic prospects. The pandemic highlighted the vulnerabilities of complex global supply chains involving multiple countries. Mexico, being geographically close and economically closed, was poised to take advantage of this situation. However, the expected economic prosperity did not materialize as anticipated. One of the key reasons for Mexico's stalled growth is its heavy reliance on the United States and its proximity to the world's largest economy. While the trade tensions and rising costs of Chinese labor closed the gap between China and Mexico, it has not eliminated the competitiveness of China as a global manufacturing leader. China's industrial output continues to grow, making it a formidable force in the global market. Mexico's growth has been hindered by factors such as extended lockdowns, intellectual property concerns, higher wage demands, and a less business-friendly government. These challenges have affected Mexico's ability to fully capitalize on the opportunities presented by trade tensions and the global pandemic. Overcoming these obstacles is crucial for Mexico to achieve sustained economic growth. Segment 3. Stalled growth and economic drawbacks. Despite the industrial opportunities, Mexico's growth has been stalled, raising questions about the factors holding back its economic prosperity. One significant factor is Mexico's proximity to the world's largest economy, the United States. While this proximity offers advantages, it also brings economic drawbacks. Mexico's heavy reliance on the U.S. market makes it susceptible to fluctuations in U.S. policies and economic changes, which can impact Mexico's industries and trade relationships. Moreover, negative perceptions surrounding Mexico, fueled by crime and security concerns, have had economic repercussions. These perceptions overshadow Mexico's status as a major export market and a destination for foreign investment. International investors often hesitate to invest in Mexico due to safety and security concerns, limiting its potential for economic growth. Furthermore, Mexico's growth rate has not matched its potential. While industrial opportunities have expanded, Mexico's growth has not kept pace with that of its larger northern neighbor. This disparity can be attributed to various factors explored in this video, including crime, wealth inequality, and limited access to financial services. Segment 4. Economic challenges and inequality. Mexico faces a host of economic challenges that hinder its full potential, including persistent issues of crime, wealth inequality, limited access to financial services, and brain drain. These challenges impact both the domestic population and Mexico's international reputation. Crime and security concerns have cast a shadow over Mexico, affecting its image as a major export market and a destination for foreign investment. While this video focuses on Mexico's legitimate industries, it's important to acknowledge that crime-related issues deserve separate attention. Efforts to combat crime and corruption are ongoing, although progress is gradual. Wealth inequality remains a significant concern, with concentrated wealth at the top and disparities between regions. Poverty and limited access to economic benefits are more pronounced in areas beyond the border regions and major cities. This inequality not only has social implications but also hampers economic growth and development. Additionally, a considerable portion of the population lacks access to traditional financial services, such as bank accounts and credit cards. This lack of financial inclusion poses challenges for financial stability, conducting business and social mobility. Efforts to improve access to financial services and promote financial literacy are crucial to address these issues and unlock Mexico's economic potential. Segment 5. Dependency on the United States. Ironically, Mexico's economic relationship with the United States, while initially beneficial, has created a significant dependency that poses challenges for long-term growth. With over 80% of its exports directed towards the U.S., Mexico's economy is heavily reliant on the stability and policies of its northern neighbor. This over-reliance leaves Mexico vulnerable to changes in U.S. attitudes, political leadership, and trade agreements. Furthermore, this economic dependence hampers portfolio investment, which is crucial for retaining control over assets and resources within the country. Foreign investors often prefer the larger and more stable U.S. market over Mexico, impacting the flow of investment into the country. This becomes a particular concern when considering that the average Mexican citizen has less wealth and investment capacity compared to their Canadian counterparts. To ensure sustainable growth, Mexico must diversify its economic partnerships and reduce its over-reliance on the United States. By fostering relationships with other nations and expanding trade opportunities, Mexico can mitigate the risks associated with dependency and strengthen its position in the global economy. Segment 6. Path to Progress. Despite the challenges Mexico faces, there are encouraging signs of progress and a path to a more prosperous future. Technological advancements have played a vital role in improving access to financial services for the unbanked population. Digital banking, mobile payments, and fintech innovations are gradually bridging the gap and providing financial solutions. Moreover, the Mexican government's commitment to economic reforms and infrastructure development is paving the way for a more diversified economy beyond manufacturing. By focusing on sectors such as technology, renewable energy, and services, Mexico can reduce its reliance on a single industry and create new avenues for growth. Efforts to combat crime and corruption are ongoing, albeit at a gradual pace. These issues are critical to improving Mexico's international reputation and attracting foreign investment. By addressing security concerns and strengthening the rule of law, Mexico can instill confidence in investors and create a more favorable business environment. While the journey towards economic progress may take time, Mexico's potential remains intact. In conclusion, while Mexico may not replace China as the world's largest economy, it possesses the potential to build a stronger, more diversified economy. Addressing crime, wealth inequality, access to financial services, and reducing dependence on the United States are crucial steps. Technological advancements and government initiatives provide hope for a prosperous and equitable future. Mexico's journey towards economic growth may be challenging, but the opportunities for progress are within reach. We hope you found this deep dive into Mexico's economic potential engaging and enlightening. If so, then don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more informative content. Thanks for watching.